Hey guys, Simon Super Panda here. Welcome back. I am doing a redo of my Spritecraft tutorial because it seems as though people are having a lot of trouble and I'm not quite sure why. So, first thing you're going to want to do is download Spritecraft Full, not the demo, Spritecraft Full. So you're going to want to type in Spritecraft to your search engine. Here you go. Spritecraft Full. It says pay what you want, so you can just download it right here, or you can donate money if you want to. So once you have that downloaded, put the jar file in a convenient location. It doesn't really matter. You're going to want to right click on it, open with, and choose default program. So this is for Windows 7. If you have another operating system, I really can't help you. So you go to your program files, Java, JRE6, bin, and you're only going to want to use the one that says Java W. This is the only one that will open it. If you use this one, you'll get a dialog box, command box that will open for a second and then disappear. And that's pretty much the same for all the other versions. So if you use Java W, I already have it here, so it's this one that I have. And then you click OK, and it'll open right up. And if this does not work for you, again, I really don't know what to tell you because this is the only way to open Spritecraft. So from here, I'll show you how to use it again. Alright, so you're going to want to go find a picture. Any picture will do if I can find it. Users. Okay, here we go. Go into my pictures and let's find a cool one. Let's see. How about a Teemo one from League of Legends? Why not? Alright, so now you can, in order to make it pixelized, you can drag it around. Okay, so you want to set your max width and max height to whatever you want it to be. I'll just show you it with 50 because you'll be able to see. It gets really, really pixely because you're telling the engine that you want the pixels 50 by 50 pixels, and that's not going to be very good. So if you check no max height and no max width, then you can create it and it'll look almost identical, but it'll be very, very large, a lot of blocks. And if you're going to want to do something like that, the easiest thing to do then afterwards would be to save it as a schematic and upload it into Minecraft via MC Edit or any kind of program like that. So here you can see it tells you what kind of materials you need and how much. So you need 4,093 birch wood planks, and that's a lot. You also need 658,000 blocks of black wool. So realistically, this is really challenging. You can zoom in and see all the different pixels. Now, if you wanted to sit there and build this by hand, you could go for it, but it's not something I would recommend. So yeah, but you can see it is very similar to the original. There's other things you can do, so you can go into options, and you can actually use a new texture pack that you're using. Because when you download a texture pack, if you go into the texture pack files, there should be a terrain.png file. So when you find that file, you can browse for it and you can find it, and then all of the blocks will be updated to that texture pack so that you can see how it would look in a different texture pack. Here, you can choose the top view or the side view of a block. I don't know why you would want to do that because You can't really... If you were going to use the top of a block, you would have to make it on the ground, and then people would have to go up some sort of viewing platform to see it. So you can also check which blocks are used and not used. As you can see here, all the colors of wool are checked. Some of the other blocks that have strong colors are checked. You can also mess with that. So if I wanted to use the lapis, then I would check it there too. Yeah, that's it for this page. So now let's try it with 100 by 100. See if that improves it any. See it. You can kind of sort of see his shape appearing, but not really. I think the best results are with no max height. But if we pump it up to 200 by 200, it might be at least a little better. Yeah, there you go. He's a little recognizable now. And you could probably build that and people would know who you were talking about. Alright. So last thing I'm going to show you is how to save it as a schematic and upload it into MC Edit. So save schematic. You can save it wherever you want. I have a folder for it on my desktop called Models for when I use any of my Binvox, Vuvox, any of that kind of stuff. Okay. So I'm going to save this as Teamo. Save. Alright, now you can close out of Spritecraft. Open the location where you saved that, and I'm going to just search for it because I have a lot of things in here. Alright, so here it is. I'll drag that onto my desktop. Alright, so now you're going to want to find MC Edit. And open that up. Mine will be a little out of date, but that's fine. Now, what I'm going to want to do is open a level or open a world, which you go to your save files, then you click on one of them. It doesn't really matter which one. Just has to be one of them. I'll use this one. You use the level. And once this loads up, you'll be able to see where we are. Oop. Hold on now. Where is the ground? Okay then. Well, it can still work. Okay. So for some reason my MC Edit isn't working quite the way I want it, but here I can just show you how it works anyways. So you click on import, this little image right here. You go and find your schematic, and open it up. And then it should import. Yep, here it is. And I can choose where I want to place it. Probably want it to be a little up from the ground. And then you click import. And it'll say it's copying this many blocks. And then it's imported. Unfortunately, half of it is underground right now because I can't see the ground. But if you actually get it to load up correctly, I think I need to update my MC Edit for it to be able to work. But as you can see when I get closer, this is the back of him. And yep. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any problems with this one, let me know in the comments yet again, and I'll see what I can do. Although, if it doesn't work, I'm not sure what the problem is after this video. So again, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.